Welcome to Beautyistic, where we're all about bringing you honest, in-depth reviews on all things beauty. Now, let me ask you a quick question. Have you been struggling with weak, brittle lashes or brows that just won't hold their shape? If you're nodding your head right now, stay tuned, because today we're diving into a product that claims to offer a solution. It's the RevitaLash Lash Brow Masque, and it promises to fortify and hydrate your lashes and brows with lightweight ingredients, leaving them stronger and less prone to breakage. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's find out together. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you never miss an honest review from Beautyistic. This product comes from RevitaLash, a brand renowned for its lash and brow care. It's a gel formula designed to deeply hydrate and strengthen the hair, providing nourishment that helps to restore vitality. The clear formula is hypoallergenic and cruelty-free, which is a big plus for those who are sensitive or ethically minded. The main benefits? Hydration that's lightweight yet powerful enough to fortify delicate hairs, making them more resilient to breakage over time. No harsh ingredients here, just gentle, effective care. Now, let's talk about my experience using it. I've been incorporating the Lash and Brow Masque into my routine for a few weeks now, and I was excited to see how it would perform. The gel has a smooth, almost creamy texture, but it's not too heavy. Applying it to my lashes and brows felt like a treat. It glided on easily and absorbed quickly, without any sticky residue. It didn't irritate my sensitive skin, which I really appreciated, and I didn't feel like it was weighing my hairs down either. One thing I noticed right away is that my lashes and brows felt noticeably more hydrated, and over time, I could tell that they were looking healthier. When I would gently comb through my lashes, they felt stronger, and the same goes for my brows. No more excessive breakage when brushing them. It definitely lives up to its promise of hydration and strengthening. Of course, I also noticed a couple of things to keep in mind. While it does an excellent job hydrating, it doesn't provide instant, dramatic results in terms of length or thickness. So, don't expect overnight transformation. Also, because it's a gel, it can be a little tricky to apply evenly without using the right amount of product. Too much, and it might feel a bit heavy, too little, and you might not get the full benefit. But once you get the hang of it, it becomes part of your routine without any fuss. So let's break down the pros and cons. The pros? Well, it definitely hydrates and strengthens both lashes and brows, leaving them feeling healthier. It's also a lightweight formula that doesn't weigh down your hair or feel heavy, and it's great for those with sensitive skin. Plus, the hypoallergenic and cruelty-free aspects really give it an edge if you're looking for a product with ethical values. On the downside, the price might be a little high for some, considering it's a treatment that takes time to show visible changes. You'll have to be patient to see the full effects. And while it's a gel formula, which is great for hydration, it can be tricky to apply in just the right amount, and too much product can feel a bit sticky. Now, is it worth the money? If you're someone who's been struggling with breakage, dryness, or weak lashes and brows, I'd say it's worth trying, especially if you care about using cruelty-free and hypoallergenic products. The quality is there, and it does work over time, but be prepared to stick with it for a few weeks to really see the difference. If you're looking for an instant fix, this may not be the quickest solution, but it's definitely a solid investment for long-term care. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other treatments on the market that focus on strengthening and hydrating lashes and brows at a lower price point, but the quality of ingredients in RevitaLash makes it a standout. It's a great option if you're willing to invest a bit more for a trusted brand and product. To wrap it up, RevitaLash Lash and Brow Masque is an effective, high-quality treatment that hydrates and strengthens your lashes and brows over time. It's great for anyone looking for a product that delivers long-term results, though it may not be the best choice for those seeking instant transformations. Thanks so much for watching. If you're interested in trying the RevitaLash Lash and Brow Masque for yourself, you can find the link in the description box or comments. And if you've already used it, let me know in the comments below what you think. Your thoughts and experiences could help others in their beauty journey. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.